Hi everyone, my name is Carlos Lozano. I am a product and marketing director in Metelli Group. We will see in this little bit webinar the key product that we are producing, water pump kits and water pumps. Present or offering in the cooling system and focus on timing belt kits and water pumps. Analyze the range, the vehicle coverage, VIO, and technological content. Metelli Group is an Italian company born in 1962 with a long standing in automotive sector. International recognized as a manufacturer of components distributed over 90 countries. The group operates in both an original equipment and aftermarket, transferring to the replacement market the same expertise, technologies, and quality standard required by the vehicle manufacturers. In particular, Metelli is an original equipment supplier of water pumps. Our recognition that certified our processes and products. In the cooling system, Metelli Group is present with a multi-brand strategic design to meet for the international markets. Our brands portfolio includes Metelli, Graf, KWP, a premium brands in cooling system, Bugatti, an Italian historical brand, and from the beginning of 2026, also Airtex. One of the most historical and iconic brands of the water pump market. The high quality standard of our portfolio can satisfy the needs of a worldwide market. The Metelli timing belt kit with water pumps ensure the coverage for the European and also for the Asian applications. We coverage around the 95% of the total car park for European market for petrol and diesel application. For distributor, can rely a solid offer and high turnover part numbers. For workshops, it means a safe and reliable choice. One of the most important things is that we produce our own pump housings. This means full control in our own process, quality, dimensional, and production. This is one of the most important things in comparison with other players in the automotive sector. We produce in-house. It means the water pump, the tensioners, and structural components of the kit are produced in our facilities. The same expertise as OE supplier are included in our kits. In terms of range, we do not offer only mechanical pumps. Also, we have in our range portfolio switchable water pump patented by Metelli. An important sample is the water pump for 1.6 or 2.0 turbo diesel engines of Volkswagen Group. Our patented provide a better solution in terms of performance and durability in comparison with traditional systems. To complete the kit, we use a premium timing belt, select to ensure high performance and the standards according with OE requirements. So let us move to the core of this webinar. The timing belt kit with pump included. As you know, the timing belt kit replace is one of the more critical operations of the engine. For the reason, Metelli has designed a complete solution. As you can see here, is the Metelli water pump 24-S1360A with our own switchable patented system. This pump is not only available as a single part, it's also included in the Metelli timing belt kit. The design was improve to greatest reliability over time, especially on vehicles with high mileage. As you know, the most important or the key points in this type of engines, 1.6 or 2.0 TDI engines of Volkswagen Group, is the dirty or the contamination of the cooling system. Okay, Metelli Group designed our own patented system inside of the water pumps in order to prevent these risks with a safe function for eliminate this type of problems on the engine. It means that if we have any internal problems with the engine, with the cooling system, the Metelli water pump is prevented this, and there works always in all conditions, a difference to another ones of the market. As I mentioned before, we are not a solution in a single water pumps. Also, we include in our timing belt kit range a complete solution for the workshop operation. Metelli timing belt kits and water pump offer oil knowledge transferred to the aftermarket, specialist cooling brands, including items from 2026, patented solution for special applications, high coverage car part for the European market, around, remember, 95% of total coverage. In-house production on a critical timing belt component. It means pumps, tensioner yielders. So, thank you, all of you, from the Metelli's team.